Next, in this question you are asked to differentiate cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So here also, as you can see, you've given some sort of difficult functions inside inverse trigonometric functions. So let us try to use some trigonometric substitutions. So what I do is I'll put let x is equal to tan theta. So let this first function be u and the second function be equal to v. So what is that you need? You need du by dv. So if you want to differentiate u and v in terms of x, it is quite difficult. So what we do is, so let us put x is equal to tan theta. So what does u become? Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta, which becomes 2 theta. So u is equal to 2 theta in terms of theta. Now what happens to v? Is nothing but tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is equal to tan inverse of, is a formula for tan 3 theta, right? So tan inverse of tan gets cancelled, which gives you 3 theta. So in terms of theta, u is 2 theta, v is 3 theta. Now what is du by dv? It is du by d theta by dv by d theta, which is equal to du by d theta is 2, dv by d theta is 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer.